Okay, this assignment is one that's going to take you a little bit of time. That's why you have the entire week to finish it, and it is not due until Sunday, January 17th at 10 p.m. So if you want to look for it, it's in the Unit 2 folder in the number 5, the purple folder, Why Ordinary People Need to Understand Power. And this is still dealing with Lord of the Flies. So like I said in the last video, we don't read the entire book anymore, but we are going to read chapter 11 because chapter 11 primarily deals with this element of power, and we're exploring power through literary analysis. So you do need to read chapter 11 of this book. If you happen to have Lord of the Flies at home, just get the book and open up to chapter 11 and you're ready to go. If not, I have a PDF here for you, and I also have an audio version that you can follow along with the text on. So you're going to open the text file and you'll need to scroll to chapter 11 because it is the entire book that I have linked here. You can click, I'll show you here that in a minute, and you can just choose on chapter 11. The audio I'll show you in a minute, and then there are questions that go along with it. And so what I recommend is that you open 2 tabs, one for the text and one, well, maybe 3, one for the text, one for the audio, and one for the questions. So the text looks like this, and if for some reason it does not work, make sure that you email me and ask. And if you see, it's 291 pages. So if you click on Contents and then scroll down to chapter 11, it's called Castle Rock. It's on page 242, and it'll take you right there. So it is a complete chapter. So it's going to take you some time to read it. The other thing is the audio. So the audio takes you to this.
Lord of the Flies. Chapter 11. Castle.
And you can see it's 22 minutes long for this person to read chapter 11. So you figure a class period is 45 minutes. You can have plenty of time to read the chapter, and then you might be able to get the questions done, or that might be considered homework for you. Either way, it should not take you more than 2 class periods to complete this assignment. And I'm giving you all week. So that is the text, that's the audio that you can follow along with it. And there are a few questions that go with the, whoops, I shouldn't have clicked out of that. The questions are here. So you can see there are 12 questions that go with that. They are going to be worth 24 points, so 2 points each question. I want to make it worth your time to have that much to read. So that's the assignment. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. Now, if you have trouble loading the book or you have trouble loading the audio, you can email me, or you can also just go to Google. That's what I did. Go to Google and put in Read Lord of the Flies Chapter 11 for free, and it will bring up lots of different sources. So that's it. If you have any questions, make sure you email and ask.